Other checking point.
Wait, 3,000 each checkpoint.
Yes. Police 2,000. Army 3,000.
Gaskiya, I think that army is for 1,000. No?
No, it's 3,000 now. Before now 2,000. So now they don't increase the money.
Army 3,000.
Yes.
Police 2,000.
Yes. Produce. You get where you can collect like 50,000, 30,000.
Produce.
Yes. 20,000.
Hey.
No, they easy.
You know they easy. How na they can make profits?
So through that goods now. So that Bakaleke road. For the 70,000.
70,000.
Yes, 80,000. Yes, the Bonny state.
Like for each state, like how many produce people like they Benue?
It's uncountable. They plenty.
You go to pay all these
30,000, 20,000,
they go like this.
Yes. From Adamawa to Calabar, 700,000. You can spend 700,000 before you reach where they go.
Allah. Now, true. Yeah. Adamawa to Calabar.
Yes.
700,000 for produce people.
Yes. Army
and police. All of them. 700,000. No wonder this food they cost so.